Hello, welcome to episode 47 of live.withcode.uk. This is going to be the last video this year before we break up for the summer. We've got an Olympic themed challenge this week. So the code will use the Python turtle graphics to draw the Olympic logo and to load a random quote. We've got 20 quotes from inspiring Olympians. It chooses one at random and it says who said it. And you should get a different one most times that you run the program. So I'm not going to start from a blank canvas with this video. Last week, I'm just going to talk through how most of it works. So you have challenges at the bottom to try and work your way through. And I'll just explain briefly how it works. So you've got a list of colours that it will iterate through: blue, black, red, orange and green for each of the Olympic rings. And then it will iterate through each of those colours, moving forwards as it does each time. But if you're currently drawing orange, it's going to kind of just teleport back to this point here. So it kind of draws them in an overlapping fashion. Then it will load the text file, and it will split it on every line to get each new line, which contains a new quote. And then from the website that I got all of these from, it said the quote, and then a space and a hyphen and another space, and the person who actually said it. So every time we see a space and a hyphen and a space, we'll split it. And so we'll then have a list of the actual quote and the person who said it, so that when we choose one at random from our 2D list that we store them all into, we can unpack it. We can get what they're saying and the person who said it as a list and unpack that list into those two values here. So that's enough to get you going. Your challenges are, number one, to add more Olympic quotes. That's nice and easy. I've given you the link here. All you need to do is copy and paste those into your text file. Make sure that you don't have a blank line at the bottom, but paste in or make up your own Olympic quotes if you want to. What have we got next? Draw a flag for your country. So before you draw the Olympic rings, but after you make the turtle object, you could put in here some code to be able to draw an English flag or a Scottish flag or a Great British flag or a Welsh flag or whatever country you want to support. Or you could do a bit of research online. When you use t.write to display the quote or t.write to display the person's name, you can pass an additional parameter called font, and you'll have to search for that to work out what values you put in here for the size and the typeface name. Fab. So remember that you can find links in the description of this video that explain how to work through all of these challenges. Have a really good summer, and all being well, I'll start these back up again in September. All the best. Bye-bye.